Let's play Shapes puzzle game. Which shape has 4 equal sides? Correct. A square has 4 equal sides.
I'm a square with sides the same, 4 equal edges in the game. I'm strong and steady, straight and fair. Look around, I'm everywhere.
Which shape has 3 sides and 3 angles? Very good. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles.
Three sharp points and 3 straight sides, like a mountain that touches skies. Pizza slice or sail on sea. Triangle's the shape for me.
Which shape has no side at all? That's correct. A circle has no side at all.
I'm a circle, round and neat, rolling down the busy street. No sharp corners, just one line. Spinning around, I'm doing fine.
Which shape has 5 pointy sides? Great! A star has 5 pointy sides.
Twinkle, twinkle, here I shine. 5 bright points all in a line. Up in space or on a chart, I light the sky and warm your heart.
Which shape has 5 sides and 5 angles? Superb! A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles.
Have cool sides and angles too. I'm the shape that's strong and true. Like a house with pointed glaze, I stand firm in every place.
Which shape has shape of an egg? Awesome! An oval has shape of an egg.
Egg and egg, I'm smooth and wide. Stretched out circles side by side. No sharp corners, soft and slow. That's the oval, now you know.
Which shape has 1 pointed side at the bottom? That's correct. A heart has 1 pointed side at the bottom.
I beat with love and joy and cheer. A symbol that says I hold you dear. With curves on top and point below. A heart is where sweet feelings grow.
Which shape has 2 sides long and 2 sides short? Fabulous! A rectangle has 2 sides long and 2 sides short.
I've got 2 sides long, 2 sides short. I'm found in books and basketball courts. Windows, doors, and flags you see, they're all rectangles, just like me.
Which shape has 6 sides? Good job! A hexagon has 6 sides.
Six flat sides, that's my style. Like honeycombs that make me smile. Buzzing bees all dance to me. Hexagons in every tree.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for kids fun learning videos.